There is an import procedure that allows you to add data from a CSV file. To use it, go to the Import button to open the procedure. Select your file by clicking on the paperclip. On this screen, 3 columns appear. The first one contains the titles of your original file. The second one gives you an example of the data inserted in these first lines. Then, you have the possibility to select the TimeTonic columns in which you will have to insert your content. It is therefore a question of mapping between the original data and the incoming file. You have the possibility to define a unique key. By doing so, you prevent the creation of duplicates records in your file. Here, I consider my email addresses to be the unique key. Confirm the operation. Start the import. The logs appear and you have the confirmation that your import was a success. You also have the possibility to download the log file of the import procedure. Now, when I refresh my table, I see the new lines appear with my new contacts. You have now imported and updated your database.